Welcome to Virtual Classroom Facilitation Applications, Keeping Learners Engaged. Virtual classroom engagement is more than making sure learners are awake enough to answer a poll or raise their virtual hands. In this lesson, we'll dig deep into the concept of keeping your audience intellectually engaged. There's a lot of ways to do that, but for now, we're really going to focus on the conversation. You're going to realize that your voice is truly the most important tool that you have. All of the great tech in the world won't keep your learners there if they don't want to listen to you and if they're not involved in the conversation. So we'll focus some time on using your voice impactfully and effectively. And also, how do you solve that problem of asking questions and not getting an answer? There's some real practical ways to ensure that you get the answers you need and move the conversation and the learning along. You'll develop even more fluency in this language of the virtual classroom. You'll get the basics down and start to learn the nuances of this new language. Keep watching the facilitation team and think about how you want your facilitation skills to evolve.